Okay, I'm going to use these latches. Basically, you drill a hole and you just slot it in and connect your handle. Dead easy to do, so let's get on with it. And what I like to do is, I've noticed with these drill bits that when you start to drill, it pulls it straight in because of the thread that's on the end. So what I do is I drill a hole first so that I can spin, and then you can just slowly take the front part of it off without it digging in and splitting the wood. So little tip. That's how easy it is, you see. So you don't push it all the way in. Pull it out. Now you measure from there to the hole, or just hold it like that. Line it up. Make sure it's straight. Put your pencil mark. So these are the handles going on, and if you look, this bit here is just slightly proud. So what you don't want to do is have that rubbing. Yeah, see. So what you do is you drill another hole that diameter or a little bit bigger. Use the same bit. Go in and make sure you put it the right way around. And you get your handle, and these grooves here go where the grub screw goes, which is there. So it goes that way. Yeah. That goes in. I've screwed the other side on. Now I'm just connecting this side up and put my grub screw in. Nice and then you got these little thin screws, which you need a thin bit, and then you screw it on. I like these as well, little tiny catches. You drill it, put that in, a couple of screws there and there to hold it, and then you put your cover plate on. It's a couple of little screws as well, and that's all it is. No chiseling, just drill it. Flat bit, 32. There you go. That's how you do it. So that's what it looks like. Not too bad. Nice and easy to fit. Now what I was doing before is there's a couple of these wings, and what you do is if there's a little gap, you get your screwdriver, you put it in the wing and you bend it out a little bit. Yeah, it's always best to go a bit further that way than that way, because if the door closes and the catch doesn't catch and you have to take it out and re-drill it and move it back, it's easier just to do that. So there you go. That's the door hung.